What if I told you that one day changed the course of history for an entire continent? On June 6, 1944, known as D-Day, Allied forces launched a massive invasion on the beaches of Normandy, France, marking a pivotal moment in World War II. To understand D-Day, we need to look back at the buildup of World War II. By 1944, Europe was under heavy Axis control, and the Allies needed a significant offensive to turn the tide. Planning for D-Day began in earnest in 1943, led by General Dwight D. Eisenhower. On the morning of June 6th, over 156,000 Allied troops landed on 5 beachheads: Utah, Omaha, Gold, Juneau, and Sword. Despite fierce German resistance, the Allies secured the beaches and began their push inland. Key figures like General Omar Bradley and British Prime Minister Winston Churchill played vital roles in this operation. Their leadership and strategic decisions were crucial in overcoming the challenges faced during the invasion. The successful invasion led to the liberation of France and ultimately contributed to the defeat of Nazi Germany in 1945. This event reshaped the geopolitical landscape of Europe and established the United States and Soviet Union as superpowers. Today, D-Day remains a symbol of bravery and sacrifice. Understanding its legacy helps us appreciate the values of freedom and unity, reminding us of the importance of standing against tyranny in our world.